All right, here's your hint for the juggler problem. Okay, so this one you're going to have to solve in 2 steps. So the first step is you have to do a 1D motion problem and figure out, given the max height, what is the initial velocity the juggler throws that ball up. So set up a 1D motion problem, go ahead and solve for that initial velocity. Now on to the second step. The second step is you have to set up a simultaneous problem. So you have one object that's at the maximum height about to fall back down, and the other object is leaving the ground with 2/3 the initial velocity, 2/3 the value you just found. Okay, so you're going to set up a simultaneous, so a 1D motion problem for 1, a 1D motion problem for 2. I'm going to use equation 2 here. The reason you want to use equation 2 is it gives you 2 equations that are similar. That's going to help you out here. So you go ahead, and what we'll do for solving this simultaneous is because they're both equal to y, even though we're trying to find that, we're going to find time first and then plug it back in. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this equal to this, and you'll note that some of these values are different. So for instance, this initial velocity was 0, well, this initial position was 0. So you'll set those 2 equal to each other. You'll notice the 1/2 AT squareds actually cancel out. That's kind of cool. Solve for time, and then you can plug that time back in and solve for the position where they meet.